Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long. I've literally been working every single day. And today is probably my only day off, or like the only day I'm free. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and film and do a review for you guys. So you guys can already tell what this video is. I'm gonna show you guys the best contact lenses that I own and that I have. And I'm just like, let's get started. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the best contact lenses, colored contacts that I've ever tried. So this is Hapa Kristin. If you guys haven't seen my, oh God, there's husky fur everywhere. If you guys haven't seen my video on this, go ahead and I'll link it somewhere over here. But guys, these are so comfortable, easy to wear, beginner friendly, bomb. So they sent me three styles. So I'll show you guys right now. I'm gonna open the box. Just looks like this. Let me grab the different ones. So we have Secretive Kristin. Let's see if I can focus it. We have Secretive Kristin. This one is gonna be like an olive color. I can't wait to show you guys. And then we have Cheerful Kristin. This one is a green. And the last one is OMG Kristin, which is a gray. So both of these right over here, they're basically two pieces inside that you could use for a month. So that's the wear of it. If you guys see fur on these, it's because of my husky. So sorry. And then this one right here, OMG Kristin, which I've actually never had anything like this. There are 10 pieces inside that you could use daily. So basically it says they're daily disposable contact lenses. Yeah. And I don't have like a prescription to these because I don't wear glasses. But you guys can definitely go on the website and check all of that. All right, so let me do like a little unboxing and show you guys like what it looks like when you open the boxes up. Oh my God. All right, so when you open them up, you're gonna have a left and right side, obviously. They come in separate little things, cases. It also comes with this, instructions. How cute. It says, Hello Kristin, right over here. So basically, let's see, read the manual, wash your hands, open your eyes widely and show them off. You know, there we go. So it comes with easy instructions, pretty self-explanatory. So that's what it comes with. And I just want to make sure this is, yeah, so this is the olive kind. It's just in some liquid right there. And it looks like this. I've never opened one of these, so let's open her up because I want to see what it looks like. Oh, okay, yeah. That's cool. Comes with several. Okay. So when they, oh, what is that? Okay, yeah, it comes with same instructions. You have more that you can use daily. I don't know what makes it different. Like, I don't know why these, you can't use these for a month. But yeah. Same concept, looks like that, has these. And then for the cheerful one, obviously it's gonna be the same. And then when I apply these lenses, I just use this as my eye drops and these to clean the contacts. So yeah, so this is what I use. I'm pretty sure you can use anything, but I literally went to Target when I first tried these and I just grabbed these two. And they work fine, and that was like my first time using contact lenses. So I'm gonna go start with Secretive Kristin. I'm gonna do this off camera because I don't know, I don't want you guys to see how I look putting these on. But yeah, I'm gonna start with the olive ones and I'll be right back. By the way, my natural eye color is like a hazel. Like if I come close, sorry, I like have lash glue stuck, or I have lash glue, but yeah, it's just hazel. The light is not doing it justice right now, but hopefully when I put these on, you guys can tell the difference. All right, so I'll be right back. So I have the olive ones on, which is basically, where is it? Secretive Kristin, I'm guessing. I'm gonna put like my flash like right over here, just so you guys can get like a better look at my eyes. Like, how cool is that? yeah, disregard the lash glue that I had on earlier, but whoa, these are so cool. Yeah, I really like these ones. This is more of like a super everyday natural that you can just wear and it's not too like, you know. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the next ones. Next up is Hapa Kristin. So this is the green. This is like one of my favorites. I think I did this, I'm pretty sure I've done this on my last one. Like, look how pretty that is. I really like this one. Let me see with the flash. You guys can definitely see with the flash. Like, who is she? But these are so pretty. I love these. One of my favorites is the green one. So come on. And then I'm gonna do one last one, which is the Hapa Kristin. So yeah, this is the last one here in Hapa Kristin, which is the gray. I'll go ahead and put the light. Yeah, sorry if I look puffy and teary here. It's because I've been putting contacts in and out and I'm not really an expert yet, so you already know. But that is the color. I think that is so pretty too. I could wear this every day. This looks cute. This looks like a snap filter or something. But yeah, so that's basically it. I'm gonna show you guys where I put all these contacts in, like in my little case. I'm gonna take these out, and yeah, those are like the 3 different colors, and I'll be right back again. So I just wanted to show you guys where I keep my contacts when I'm not using them. So this is what they sent me last time, a little case. It's so cute. It comes with 3 little contact holders. I just put them in solution in there, soak it in there. I keep my tweezers. I don't even know, these aren't called tweezers, but this is what you remove your contacts with. A tip that I got from TikTok was actually, like, if you look left or right or whichever direction and blink, your contacts will come off, and that's what I've been doing. So yeah. But isn't this so cute? If it's still available, you should definitely get it. It's better than keeping them in like the little stuff. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this super interesting, and if you're looking for colored contacts, definitely look up Hapa Kristin. Literally beginner friendly. I don't know, and it's just like really nice. Like, it doesn't irritate my eyes, and I have like sensitive eyes. But yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 900. So thank you guys for, like, I don't know, just watching me and just going along with me through this like YouTube journey. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.